What's up everyone, today we are going to take a look at 7 amazing Android tips and tricks which you probably don't know of. And not only are they going to be very useful but also interesting. Now this is only about tips and tricks, so if you are new here, I also make videos about Android customization, best, incredible, cool Android apps, Android how-to videos, basically videos that will make you enjoy your Android usage. So do me a favor by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Alright, let's hop into the video. Alright, check this out. If you want to share an exact point of a YouTube video you are watching to a friend or anyone else, let's say 40 seconds of the video is where you want them to start watching, saving them the trouble of watching the whole beginning before they get to the exact point. Here's how you do it. Tap on the share button beneath the video to copy the video link from the menu that pops up by tapping on copy link. After you've pasted the link to where you are sharing it, add the question mark sign and then add T, which is equal to time, and then add the equal sign and then add the point you want the video to start. In this case, it's 40 seconds into the video, so 40s. You add all these immediately after the link with no space and then send. This way, when the person opens the link, the video will start playing at the exact moment you added to the link. Take advantage of the 15GB free storage Google has given you on your Google Drive. You can upload any type of file over there and delete them from your phone. This will help you if you have phone storage issues. When you are using Chrome or any browser, you can save web pages as PDF into your phone storage, meaning you can read them offline or edit them. Here's how it works. When you're on that particular web page you want to save, tap on the 3 dots beside the address bar, tap on share and tap on print. On this print page, tap on save PDF and give it a location on your phone. Since we are on Chrome, did you know you can swipe left or right on the address bar to change tabs, and also swipe down from the address bar to see all tabs? Go to your Telegram privacy and security settings and change the option from everybody to my contact if you don't want unknown people to add you to unwanted groups. You can start a timer on Google by typing set a timer and how long you want it for. So let's say you want to start a 5-minute timer. Type set a timer for 5 minutes. If you are browsing a web page using Chrome browser, you can read in simplified mode. That is, you only read the important text or story and avoid the unnecessary ads or images. Go to Chrome settings, go to accessibility and enable simplified mode. You'll get a pop-up at the bottom of the web page asking you to read in simplified mode, and then you tap on it. That's it for this video guys. I do hope you find these tips and tricks very interesting. Also let me know down in the comment section if you found any of them helpful. If you enjoyed the video, a sub will be much appreciated. Also drop a like for more of these videos. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.